Learn English daily.
You know, Clark, I've just come from the coffee shop down the street. They've added some new brews to their menu.
Have they? I've been meaning to check that place out. I've heard they got some good espresso shots.
Oh, they have. But that's not why I'm here. I've been going through the Johnson case. Something doesn't add up.
I've looked at that case a dozen times. What you found?
Remember the witness, Maria? She said she's never been to the docks, yet we found her fingerprints all over the crime scene.
That's strange. I've interviewed her twice, and she's always stuck to her story. Maybe she's forgotten?
Maybe she's lied. I've also discovered that she's been in touch with our suspect multiple times. They've exchanged several calls in the past month.
Have they now? Why haven't we picked up on this before?
Our tech guys have just improved our tracking system. They've integrated a new AI tool. It seems it's already paying off.
I've always said we needed better tech. This might be our breakthrough. I felt for a while that Maria knows more than she's letting on.
Me too. And now we've got evidence. I've always believed in following the facts, and they've never led me astray.
We've got to be careful, though. If Maria has been involved, she might have covered her tracks elsewhere. We've only scratched the surface.
True. We've worked too hard to let this case go cold now. Let's dig deeper.
Agreed. We've come this far, and we're not stopping now.
Ben, look at this photo. We've been to so many places together, haven't we?
We have. Remember this one? We've taken it on our first trip to Paris. I've never forgotten that sunset behind the Eiffel Tower.
Oh, Paris. We've always had a special connection with that city. I've dreamt of going back there someday. You've mentioned wanting to see the Louvre again, haven't you?
Yes, I've always felt we missed out on some exhibits the last time. And you? You've always talked about that little cafe by the Seine.
I've missed their croissants. But on a different note, we've never been to Greece, have we? It's been on our bucket list forever.
True. We've traveled through Europe, but we've somehow skipped Greece. We've discussed visiting Santorini so many times.
Oh, Santorini? I've heard so much about its beauty. Friends have always said we'd love it.
And we will. I've been saving up for a surprise trip. I've wanted to see the look on your face when you see those blue domes and white houses for the first.
Have you? That's wonderful. We've built so many memories together, Ben. I've cherished every single moment.
As have I, Anna. We've grown together, and I've realized that it's not just about the places we've been to, but the journey we've shared.
Every step, every moment, we've lived it together. And I've loved every bit of it.